Day of Yoga is celebrated on June 21st every year since 2014. As there is an increase in working population, the stress one experiences on a daily basis have only risen. By combat the stressful lifestyle, practicing yoga has become effective. Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is a direct offshoot of sage Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. Some of the common different types of asanas are Padmasana, Simhasana, the butterfly, Kapalabhati Pranayama, Anulom Vilom Pranayama, and Surya Bhedi Pranayama. Thank you.